Hey YouTube, this is Passive Cash Stacker, and today we are going to tell you how to stop getting Craigslist posts ghosted and flagged. I know that all of you out there who are trying to do garage sales, or who are trying to do internet marketing, or who are trying to do anything on Craigslist, I know you're tired of Craigslist ghosting and flagging. So we are going to show you some advanced and some beginner steps on how to be able to prevent yourself from getting flagged and ghosted, so that you can maximize your coverage, so that people can see your posts, and if you are trying to make money, that you can maximize the amount of money you are trying to make. So we post on Craigslist all the time. And right now we are going to set up another post right now that we're doing, but basically some tips. Okay, so first of all, if you are a beginner, you want to start out with one account per computer, per IP address, and Craigslist really tracks that. They actually have an automatic system that actually tracks how many accounts you have logging in from a single IP address, and that is basically the address of your computer that says, hey, this is who I am. And it's crazy the amount of information that your computer actually broadcasts out to the world, where you're located, who your provider is, all kinds of stuff. So make sure that if you are a beginner, only have one account per computer. Now, I know some people are going to try to go crazy and sign up for a bunch of accounts. You're going to get flagged. You're going to get ghosted. All right. So next, when you're starting out, make sure that you don't post more than 3 posts per day per account. And the reason that is that is actually the threshold that that Craigslist is allowing. Okay, now you can definitely post more posts, but most likely you will get ghosted or flagged. I have an account that's been around for a long time, so I can post 4 or 5 posts if I desired, but I don't do that because I want to make sure that eventually, if I start getting flagged and stuff like that, that people do not hurt my account so that I'm not able to post a lot. So, and one strategy that you can do if you're just starting out a brand new Craigslist account and you haven't had one already, try to post 1 post per day for a week, and then renew all of them at the end of the week. So basically, after a couple of days, it'll ask you if you want to renew it. So the great thing is you can post, Monday through Friday, post one every single day, or Monday through Saturday, and then on Sunday just renew them all so they all get up to the top. And then the next week do the same exact thing, post 1 post per day, and you'll get 20, 30, 40 posts that you can do, and all you have to do is renew them, and they don't look down on you renewing your posts because they've already been posted, they've already been approved, all that kind of good stuff. Next thing that you want to do, if you are going to post similar ads in multiple categories, you need to change some things. So we do this all the time. We do garage sales, we do stockpile sales, we do internet marketing services for people, social media services for people, and we post in several different categories, which you're not supposed to do. So, but if you're going to do that, what you want to make sure you do is you always want to have a map location, but change the map location. So put it a couple streets over, or in the near the next highway or whatever. Your starting picture. So say if you are using the same picture for all of your posts, and you got a couple of different pictures in that post, you want to make sure that the starting picture is different, so when people are scrolling through, they don't see the same picture pop up for all of your ads, because then they're going to really easily see it and try to flag it. And usually people will go through and they'll flag things that they see that are duplicates, and they won't come back and do it. So if you get past that, you should be fine. The next thing that you want to do is make sure that you restructure the text. So say if you have a paragraph that says this, a paragraph that says this, and a paragraph that says this, and it's in this format, in the next ad, put the bottom paragraph on the top, and then the next one, put the middle paragraph on the top. So when people are getting into your ad and they're looking at it, they don't see the exact same text starting out, so they don't instantly flag you. And the other thing that you want to do is rework your title for the category. So basically what that means is, so right now I've got an ad up that says, mechanic shop and mobile mechanics free old part pickup. All right, and I have the exact same ad, but for AC people, and what it says is helping AC repairmen free junk haul. Okay, so it's basically the same exact ad that is going on All right, and what happens is, I moved around the paragraphs, and I get to a point where things don't look exactly the same. Different picture, different map location. You don't necessarily have to change the wording of the ad, but you definitely want to move the paragraphs around so when people are glancing at it, it doesn't look exactly the same. All right. So that's the beginner. So if you're a beginner, this is what you want to do. And then when you become advanced, you want to do this as well, but add on some things. All right. So the first thing that you want to do in the advanced tab is the mass tab open. Okay. So once you publish an ad, I don't know if you see here, but it says mechanic, 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 mechanic. All right. So basically what you do is once you post your ad, you right click it. It says view your post ad. You right click it. All right, and open in a new tab. Open in a new tab. Open in a new tab. And the reason that you're doing that, you want to do that 15 to 20 times every single time that you post an ad. And the reason that is, especially if you have a lot of similar ads in different categories, stuff like that, when Craigslist looks at the statistics, okay, and say somebody tries to flag your ad, and 20 people have already looked at your ad, which is you, okay? So if 20 people have already looked at your ad and all of them liked your ad, but one person flagged it, most likely they won't take it down. But if you get 2 or 3 more flags, they might take it down. So, it's not a guarantee, but this is going to increase the likelihood of your ad staying up longer so that you can maximize the amount of money and the amount of eyeballs of people that are actually going to be able to see your ad. So it is a proven fact that this does work. And then when you're done, just close them out. Okay, just go like this, close them out, and it's quick and easy. So it's something that you can do. It's guaranteed work. I used to get ads flagged all the time, and now that I'm using this technique, I think maybe once every 3 to 6 months I get one flagged, and that's probably because multiple people actually clicked on the ad. So definitely something to take a look at. The next thing is using a VPN to create an account. Okay, so basically what a VPN is a virtual private network, and it allows you to look like you have a computer somewhere else. Okay, so say I'm in New York, it can look like my computer is in California, New Mexico, in Texas. It can look like it's anywhere. Okay, so there are some free VPNs out there that you can use. And just look up free VPN, and basically what it does is it allows you to say your computer is somewhere else. And what you want to do if you use this technique, you want to make sure that you set up an email account once you've selected the VPN city you want to be in. So say you're in New York, you need to turn on your VPN and say you're in California. Okay, then you need to set up an email account in California and a Craigslist account in California, whatever city that you want to do. So say you want to do Bakersfield or Los Angeles or whatever. Okay, you need to set up an email account under the VPN in that city, and you need to set up a Craigslist account under the VPN in that city. Now, the big thing that you need to make sure you do is once you were done using the Craigslist account, verifying with your email address or reposting with your email address, stuff like that, you need to sign out of those accounts, then close your VPN. Okay, and then say if you're doing 10 different cities with 10 different accounts, every single time that you are done, sign out of the Craigslist account, sign out of the email account, log out of your VPN, and then log back into a different city. And that gives you the ability to do 100 cities, 1,000 cities, as many cities as you want to do, and you can do it unlimited time. So it's awesome. So basically, with some of our internet marketing and some of our social media stuff that we do, we will post in LA, we will post in New York, we will post in Texas, we will post in Atlanta, we will post in several different places, and it actually gives us the ability to make more money. You know, we have more leads coming in, but they're not posted from the same account, not posted from the same IP address, not posted in the same city. So it's awesome. But this is definitely something that you want to research before you do, because you mess up and you open up your regular IP address and they see you're logged into another account. You know, you could very quickly get banned. You could very quickly get ghosted and flagged. So definitely keep your eyes open. And then the next thing is, say you start making tons of money, you start getting lots and lots of people coming in and giving you the ability to make some money. You want to try to set up multiple computers and post from several different accounts in the same city. So this makes it a lot easier. Say if you are generating lots of revenue from Craigslist and you're able to get a couple of cheap computers that all they do is you have them post on Craigslist. You know, open up 5, 6, 7, 10 computers and you can have them all post on Craigslist, and it's from different IP addresses, and you can post 3 ads per day and make sure that you don't get ghosted and you don't get flagged. So hopefully these tips have helped you. Hopefully they will give you the opportunity to be able to make more money, to get more eyeballs on your ads, and not to get banned, ghosted, or flagged. So thank you so much for watching us over here at Passive Cash Stackers. You know, if you get a chance, please give us a big thumbs up. If this information was good for you, please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, and make sure you subscribe, because we're going to show you how to make money online. We're going to show you about social media bots, automation bots. We're also going to show you anything that has to do with computers and technology. So thank you so much. We'll talk to you later.